Manufacturing has been a critical part of the American economy, American economic competitiveness since the Industrial Revolution. Many of the groundbreaking technologies that are widely deployed today are the result of American ingenuity in manufacturing. Manufacturing represents approximately 11% of the American economy, and manufacturing output has risen by 13% over the last several years. Manufacturing also has the greatest multiplier effect of any major sector in the American economy. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, for each dollar spent in manufacturing generates an additional $1.35 in spending. In my state of Indiana, there are 9,698 manufacturers, probably changing every day, employing 556,000 workers, with 16.4% of our workforce employed in the manufacturing industry. Indiana ranks first in manufacturing employment and second in manufacturing as a gross state product nationwide. The 8th District of Indiana is home to many of these manufacturers, and I have seen the work being done firsthand at manufacturers like Berry Plastics, whose CEO will testify today, Toyota Motor Corporation, and Alcoa, amongst many others. Universities, along with the manufacturers, universities like Vincennes University, the University of Evansville, and the University of Southern Indiana offer degrees related to advanced manufacturing and are working closely with businesses to develop a talented and well-trained workforce, which is critical. Clearly, manufacturing is of critical importance to the American economy. However, employment in this sector is significantly lower as a share of the economy than in the post-World War II era. Further, we have seen reports from prominent think tanks such as the Information Technology and Innovation Foundation arguing that America is losing its competitiveness in manufacturing and may suffer a relative decline as a result. As a country, we lack a strategic plan to guide economic policy decisions that affect American manufacturing competitiveness. We have heard a number of proposals by the Administration to establish expensive Federal manufacturing programs. However, these programs have come without a plan that addresses the comprehensive competitive environment faced by today's American manufacturers. Today's hearing allows us to examine the American Manufacturing Competitiveness Act of 2013, which calls on the National Science and Technology Council's Committee on Technology to develop a national manufacturing competitiveness plan. It would task the committee with conducting an analysis of the factors that affect American manufacturing competitiveness, such as tax issues, trade, workforce, and intellectual property factors. The goals of the strategic plan are to promote economic and employment growth in the manufacturing sector, support a skilled workforce, enable innovation and investment in manufacturing, and support national security. I believe such a strategic plan, if developed responsibly, can have positive implications for America's manufacturers and can lead to policies that improve our competitiveness. However, I have some reservations about the development and implementation of the plan. First, it is critically important that a strategic plan reflects the real needs of our nation's manufacturers and should not be politicized and used as a tool to advance favored interests. Second, reflecting the recommendations of the President's Council of Advisors on Science and Technology, a manufacturing plan must not serve as industry policy. The Federal Government should not be in the business of picking winners and losers. Finally, we should ensure that this plan does not promote manufacturing at the expense of all the other sectors of our economy.